Hello, and welcome to your 8th vocabulary lesson in the series. In this lesson, we will learn 20 new vocabulary words. We will use them in sentences too. There will also be some surprise questions to help you remember the words better. So get your pencil and notebook and let's get started. Here are your first 4 words. Accept, necessary, huge, theory. To accept something that is offered is to take it. Accept. If something is necessary, you must do it. Necessary. If something is huge, it is very big. Huge. A theory is an idea about how something works. Theory. It is to get your teeth checked at the dentist every year. It is necessary to get your teeth checked. The smart man had a about the speed of light. He was amazing. The smart man had a theory about the speed of light. It is best to always gifts kindly and happily. It is best to always accept gifts. They're nice. No one could believe he caught the fish until they saw the picture. Ooh, no one could believe he caught the huge fish. Here are your next 4 words. Arrange, pattern, hang, tear. To arrange things is to put them in the right place. Arrange. A pattern is a way in which something is done or organized. Pattern. To hang something is to keep it above the ground. Hang. To tear something means to pull it apart. Tear. It is easy to the paper on the wall, so be careful. It is easy to tear the paper on the wall. I like to the coins when I count them. It makes it easier. I like to arrange the coins when I count them. I can't wait to the new piece of art I bought from the museum. I can't wait to hang the new piece of art. There is a to my daily routine. I never change it. There is a pattern to my daily routine. Here are your next 4 words. Attend, propose, grab, success. To attend something is to go to it. Attend. To propose something is to say that it should be done. Propose. To grab is to take a hold of something or someone suddenly. Grab. Success is doing something well that you choose to do. Success. Her boss last-minute changes to her report. She was angry. Her boss proposed last-minute changes. Makes me angry too. He practiced for many years, and The at the end was all worth it. He practiced for many years, and the success at the end was all worth it. Fall is the best time to an apple right off the tree. Fall is the best time to grab an apple right off the tree. Every morning the children must the bus stop before the bus arrives. Every morning the children must attend the bus stop. Here are your next 4 words. Balance, purpose, familiar, single. To balance something is to keep it from falling. Balance. A purpose is the reason that you do something. Purpose. If someone or something is familiar to you, you know it well. Familiar. If something is single, then there is only one. Single. After the storm, there was only a loaf of bread in the store. After the storm, there was only a single loaf of bread. The of exercising is to get healthy and lose weight. The purpose of exercising is to get healthy and lose weight. Best friends are the people you are most with in life. Best friends are the people you are most familiar with in life. It is very hard to on a rock, but it is possible with practice. It is very hard to balance on a rock, but it is possible. Here are your next 4 words. Contrast, release, encourage, require. A contrast is the sharp difference between 2 things. Contrast. To release something is to stop holding it. Release. To encourage someone is to make them want to do something. Encourage. To require something is to say that it is necessary. Require. After the wedding, the bride and groom doves into the wild. After the wedding, the bride and groom released doves into the wild. Almost every job in America a diploma for high school. Almost every job in America requires a diploma from high school. The 2 men stood in complete to each other because their height was so different. The 2 men stood in complete contrast to each other because their height was so different. The coach his players so they would do well in the game. The coach encouraged his players. Choose the right answer. Pause the video and answer each question. Write them in your notebook. I will give you 1 minute. Let's check. She looks like someone that I know well. Familiar. Drinking water is necessary. He had an idea. He had a theory. The purpose is to help children. My teacher will encourage. I accept your idea. It is difficult to balance when you stand. Her pattern of exercising after work is common for many people. Choose the best answer. Pause the video and answer each question. Write them in your notebook. I will give you 1 minute. Let's check. It started to rain, so I grabbed my umbrella. When she heard I was leaving, she proposed a party. Don't pull on my shirt or you might tear it. If you try hard, you will have success. When I catch fish, I usually release them back into the water. Great job today. I will see you for the next lesson. Goodbye.